So how I get a pharmacy order with the pharmacy closed? It don't make no sense. Okay, so y'all saw that they had things closed. The guy up front said that they on a lunch break and that they'll be back in 15 minutes. So what, I'm supposed to wait 15 minutes for them to bring me this pharmacy order? This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. If they can't give you the order, they still give you half pay. I'm about to send chat a message and see if I can get up out of this order. This is crazy. See, DoorDash be on some crazy. They be on some nonsense. I'm finna hurry up and get off of Earn by Time because this is ridiculous. I'm running into all types of issues. How they gonna close the whole pharmacy down for 15 minutes? This, like, who does that? Yeah, I'm about to go ahead and message support like the pharmacy closed. Like, what do I do? Okay, store has issue. See, this is the thing, man. I just need a support chat. I don't need. Nah, bro, they tripping. So you can't even like message support directly no more? Is there a way to directly send chat? What the hell? I used to click the question mark and then I would scroll to the bottom and hit dash or help so I can get a support chat open. So now you can't do that? Because this ain't making no sense. Oh, okay, here we go. Contact support. Chat with support. Boom, there we go. Okay. Pharmacy is closed. Nobody is there. Let's see if they get me up out of this order. Okay. But see, if I don't do it through, hold up. I just need an agent. I want an agent to unassign this order because I don't want them to hit my completion rate at all. That's my only thing. Nah, bro. Just give me an agent, bro. I ain't got time for this damn AI chatbot thing. It's just, it asks you dumb questions you don't be having time to answer. Like, that's the thing. DoorDash, when it comes to support and that little AI thing, that's a waste of time. Time is money. I don't have time to waste. I don't have money to waste time chatting with an AI that's finna tell me to do some stuff that's gonna negatively impact my ratings. Anything that they tell you to do through the AI chat is gonna negatively impact your ratings, and I ain't got time for that. I just want to have a chat correspondence with the live agent and tell them quickly what's happening, unassign this order without negatively impacting my